Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss the importance of carbon. Importance of carbon. Carbon basically is a basic unit of organic compounds. Organic compounds Yani organic compounds are those compounds that have carbon and hydrogen bonds in them. These compounds are called organic compounds. As we have topic to discuss the importance of carbon, the carbon has the central position in the skeletal of life. How the carbon has its contribution or its importance in skeletal of life. The carbon has its tetravalent nature. That means it can form the four covalent bonds. Carbon always form the covalent bonds. Due to its tetravalency, as it form the four bonds, that is called tetravalent, and this nature of carbon is called the tetravalency. Due to its tetravalency, it can form different bonds with different elements. These elements may be oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur, etc. Okay, so those elements that can form a single, double, triple, or maybe tetra bond, they may come with carbon to form a bond. Carbon form bond with oxygen that is present also in carbohydrates, and carbon also form in the bond with hydrogen, that is high energy giving bond. And also carbon form with the nitrogen, that bond is called the peptide bond, and this bond is formed in the protein molecules in which the amino acids are combined. So next, the carbon combines with the other elements, as we have discussed in nitrogen, hydrogen, and sulfur and phosphorus. These are the elements with which the carbon atoms can form the bond. Another importance of carbon is that it form the linear structure. These are the 5 carbon chain. We connect it with hydrogen, as we have discussed that it can form the bonds with the hydrogen atoms. This is the unbranched structure or unbranched chain. unbranched chain. Okay. The next property of a carbon atom is that it can form also the ring form bonds, in which we have 6 carbon atoms in this form. Here is this double bond, and also here, and this one. Then as here is 3 valency, fourth will be hydrogen. We will complete its valency or bonds, tetravalency. This is the ring structure of a carbon. Next, we see how it formed the branched chain. 3 are here and 1 here. So if we see, we can add in this way. H2H, here will be H2, here will be H, it will be its branched structure. Okay, so this was its branched, different branches formed by the carbon atom. Next to its structure, the other importance is that in the carbohydrates, glucose is formed by the accumulation of glucose by the combination of 2 glucose. Next, sucrose type of compounds are also formed, that are macromolecules that are used for the energy, for the work and living of the organisms. In this way, the carbon atom has its large importance in the life or in the world. This was all about importance of water. Hope so this video will be beneficial for you. Like it and share it with friends. Thank you.